what ends up happening is your insurance automatically goes up to their state minimum level for the duration of time that you're in California. And then when you come back to Texas, it's going to go back down to your normal levels of insurance if those are wherever they were originally at. Okay. As we previously discussed on other insurance, the other insurance clause on personal auto policy is going to be considered primary and excess. So in personal auto insurance, what happens is if there are different policies that cover the driver and the car insurance, the insurance on the vehicle is going to be primary. And then the driver insurance is going to be excess, meaning that if the limits of the primary policy have been exhausted, then the second policy to come in and pay in that case would be the excess policy of the driver. Now we get to the first party payout coverages. Under a personal auto policy, Part B1 is going to be for medical payments. One unique thing that is a little bit different about Part B1 here is that this will pay for all necessary medical and up to funeral expenses, if necessary, caused by an accident sustained by an insured, regardless of fault. So this will pay out to the first party for up to 3 years after the accident. This payment can only be made to insureds, not to third parties. One interesting thing about this is that the insured or anybody that's a family member, which would be classified as an insured, if they are struck as a pedestrian by a motor vehicle that is used, designed for public road use or in a trailer, they will have coverage under this part, regardless of whether they were, they were just walking and then were hit by a car. So you could have parked your car and then gone to the Mavericks game downtown Dallas. Somebody clips you with a trailer as you're trying to cross the street, injures you. You can make a claim under your auto insurance under Part B1, even though you were not in a vehicle or near a vehicle at the time, but you just got struck by a vehicle as a pedestrian. Minimum insurance on this Part B1 is going to be $500 per person, but you can definitely increase the amounts on that. Part B1 or Part B2 is similar to Part B1, but it has additional protections. This is called personal injury protection, or PIP. It is required by the state that the insurance company must